If you want to start up a payphone hit, you have to own an agency. You can call Franklin if you already did a payphone hit once. If you haven't, look at this map to find a payphone.
Hey, this target is one of the most successful tech entrepreneurs in the world. But you ain't never even heard of his damn name. Now this motherfucker, he keeps a low profile, even though he designed half the fucking apps on your damn phone. You know, social media, video sharing, photo sharing, messaging, you name it, this dude wrote it. And get this, as of tomorrow, he's gonna push what looks like a routine security update. But really, it's a backdoor so he can sell all your data to the highest bidder. Fucking son of a bitch. He don't care how many people he bankrolls, as long as his fucking ass is sitting at the beach in the Caymans next to 10 figures in his fucking bank account. He got every crooked investor with an internet connection looking to buy his stocks once the update hits. But check this out. One of our investors had an even better idea, and he came to me with it. He's gonna bet against the stock. Then we take this bitch down. Our client cashes out, and we make bank. We just got intel that the target is fucked up right now at some charity event, and fired his driver for the fucking 10th time. And he just ordered a cab. But I got Imani to cancel that motherfucker. Dude should be right outside.
Make sure you complete the bonus to get an extra $75,000.
We've sent a car, should be with you soon.
Indeed, yes.
What? But you said...
Hi.
Oh my god. Well, I'm shocked. I'm speechless.
I'm not a tourist, so no long routes, yes? Okay.
What the fuck? Oh my goodness.
That's how you can do the payphone hits. Make sure you like and subscribe.